Hello, thanks for watching. In this video, I am going to show you how to achieve the beach waves in our sandy unit. Our sandy unit is a highlighted unit, 24 inches in length, constructed on a breathable cap, and it's a 5x5 transparent closure. And as you can see from the video, this unit is full from top to bottom. After watching the tutorial, you'll be able to recreate beach waves in your sandy unit or any other unit that you have. Before we begin, subscribe to this channel for tutorials like this, wig maintenance, wig education, and more. Now let's curl. To start, I separated the unit into a left side and a right side, and I'm going to start on the right side. However, feel free to start on the side that works best for you. Before I go into detail on how to create the beach wave, I want you to watch how I make the very first curl. The hot tool I'm using is my T3, and I believe it's the 1.5 inch. I've gone in with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Heat Protecting Spray and the Sebastian Spray to hold the waves. Beach waves are an effortless style, and I feel like they look amazing as the style gets older. Okay, so let's do this. My hand is in the way for just a second, but you're going to hold the curling iron with the clamp side down and curl up like the letter J. You want to continue curling up until the curling iron is at the base of your head, the mannequin's head, and there is a small piece of hair at the end. I like to call that the tail of the beach wave. So this is the tail, or the ends of the hair that I like to leave uncurled for the beach wave. I hold the hair in the curling iron for about 10 seconds, and then I unravel and pull like so. Initially, this part was tricky for me, but as time went on, I've mastered it. And like I said, beach waves are an effortless style, and they look better when the hair is messy. So no need to strive for perfection. But obviously, you want your waves to look good. Now we're on to the second section of the hair. As I mentioned, I'm using the Garnier Fructis Heat Protecting Spray and the Sebastian Spray to hold the curls. I like to comb the product throughout the hair and make sure that there are no tangles before I begin to curl. You want to grab a section of the hair, and with the clamp at the bottom, you'll begin curling upward. If you're new to this, take your time. There's absolutely no rush. As you're curling upward, you're going to need to flip the hair over the barrel. And as you get towards the base of the unit, be sure to leave a little of the ends uncurled. Unravel and pour the hair through the end. Let me know if this has been helpful so far. This is actually my very first time doing a tutorial, and I would love to include hair tutorials, with your wig purchase. I want to make your wig life easy. With these last two sections, I'm going to repeat the curling steps and then speed up the video. I'm unraveling and pulling the hair through in slow motion. Okay, this is the Beachwave unit. You can find this unit and all of our other units at kingdombeautycare.com. Thank you for watching.